Did you know that most people are destroying their car's engine without even realizing it? And I'm not talking about over-revving or forgetting an oil change. I mean simple everyday habits that slowly shorten your engine's lifespan and make you spend thousands of dollars without knowing why. In today's video, I'm going to show you 9 habits that are silently killing your car's engine. And the worst part, you've probably done some of them today. Stay until the end, because number 9 is the most dangerous one. And it's the mistake I see most often in the shop. Many people believe that revving the engine right after starting the car helps it warm up faster. But that's a serious mistake. When the engine is still cold, the oil hasn't fully reached the upper components yet. By revving, you're forcing metal-on-metal friction without proper lubrication, causing tiny wear and tear that builds up over time. The right way is start the car, let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds, and only then drive off gently. Oh, just a few more miles until the gas station. But what most people don't know is that the fuel pump sits inside the tank and is cooled by the fuel itself. When you drive on empty, the pump runs overheated and loses its lifespan quickly. On top of that, dirt from the bottom of the tank gets sucked into the system, clogging filters and injectors. The right thing to do: refuel when the gauge shows 1/4 of a tank. A dirty air filter makes your engine breathe less, increasing fuel consumption and reducing performance. In extreme cases, dust particles can get inside the engine, scratching the cylinders and damaging the valves. Replace your air filter every 6,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty areas. Many drivers believe that oil is all the same. But it's not. Each engine is designed to work with a specific viscosity and type of additive. Using the wrong oil changes the internal pressure and can clog passages, compromising lubrication. Always use the oil recommended in the owner's manual and replace the filter at the same time. If you just come from a highway drive, especially with a turbocharged car, and you turn off the engine right away, you're making a mistake. The heat trapped inside the engine keeps evaporating the oil, creating sludge and accelerating wear. Let the car idle for 1 to 2 minutes before turning it off, so the system can cool down naturally. It may seem harmless, but keeping your foot resting on the clutch pedal puts constant pressure on the pressure plate, straining the bearing and shortening its lifespan. This is one of the most common reasons for a slipping clutch. Golden rule: keep your foot on the clutch only when you're shifting gears. A little tick-tick, a soft whistle, and you think I'll check it later. But that's exactly how a $20 problem turns into a $1,000 repair. Unusual noises are the first warning signs your engine gives you. Heard something strange? Stop, open the hood, and take a look. If the noise continues, take it to a mechanic before it gets worse. There are dozens of so-called miracle additives on the market that promise to boost power, clean your engine, and even reduce fuel consumption. But many of them contain harsh chemicals that react with the oil and damage internal seals. Only use additives if they're recommended by the manufacturer. Everything else is just marketing hype. Driving your car bogged down, in a high gear at low RPM, or stretching the gears too much puts unnecessary strain on the engine and affects fuel consumption. The ideal range is between 2,000 and 3,000 revolutions per minute for naturally aspirated engines, where efficiency is higher and where it's lower. Listen to your engine. If it's screaming, shift up. If it's groaning, shift down. Most car owners make at least 3 of these mistakes every single day. And the curious thing is, if you fix them now, you'll notice your car feels lighter, more fuel efficient, and quieter. If this video helped you, comment below which of these habits you used to do without realizing how harmful they were. And if you wanted to bring part 2 with habits that ruin your transmission and cooling system, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, Automobile Dashing Away.